He say na my matter I must die put. He say na my matter na I must kill you. Na my matter go kill you, but may go kill you for somewhere else. Not here. If I go somewhere else, go die. I tell you face to face like this. I tell you say, go your way. I don't love you. I don't need you. Go your way. I told you face to face. Where you go Nigeria, you begin to do. You want to send 400,000. Please. He dey beg. Please. And please. I say, I don't need though. I don't send you. I say, please, oh. Please. You want to send it to you want to do that. Please. Please, oh. Please, oh. What I got to say, okay. I feel is the money she wants to spend when she's coming off, which I not touch that money, and the money for the spend where it comes in. So nice say you no gree. What's up, Tracy? Nice see she say she no gree. Not be the money they spend. The money for the spend. Wait, there's the phone at your back. Then the money.
Just go find some one side stay. You know here waiting at the top. Now live video you they do so. Now live if you see waiting the happens is money. Calm down, Jerry.
Yeah. He said we there on live video.
Sorry to cut it short. Continue.
And this one, make up this. He said give me 400,000. Calculate how much you have spent. Make up collect your balance. Simple. Simple. Calculate how much you have spent. What's up?
I hope you get. I hope they find you. I hope not get your
face.
That's what I feel about. That's what they do me.
Swell up.
Swell up. I know that I'm going to try to relax. I don't want to see my final couple. Then she get waiting for them not to shout, give her for sleep. Not your return.
Now this craze, so now in matter, may they go. He say no go.
Where should they go?
Eh?
Where should they go?
Where should they go? Where she dey go now? She no go leave my matter. She no go leave me. I don't see Tracy. This girl, I sit down, face to face like this. I say, Madam, I don't love you. I don't want anything with you. They go, You know what she do? Now they go, Nigeria. The next thing I want here, he say he wants send money. He reach like 1 week old. Where they say he wants send money, I say no, he wants send money, and please, he want to send the money, and this is the same one give me. I don't need your money. Not be your money at this. I have my own money. I don't need your money. He say no, this one. Now they listen your Tracy. Now he said I should send my account. Now I said I don't need anything to do with her money. Now give her normal exchange people account. Now he send the money put. And as me and you they talk, so since she sent that money, the money still there with them. The money there with amount as me and you they talk. So now the simple thing that is holding her here, we say, when you come, 200 CD, where she send take give transport her girls, they hear because as she don't send the money, so the money don't be CDs, abi. Because no be me send money, no be me they do transaction. You no concern me. My own be say, as you send the money, I only ask say the money, how much it be for CDs? They will tell me. I say, okay, I hear. He there with the guy hand, you know they run. The owner never come. If you come, any money you they spend for inside, anyhow they do, I'll let you know. I say 200 CD where you take transport your girl come. Now from the money, because I me send the momo, give am. You dey hear now say now from the money, the 200 CD way, another 200 CD way say into the buy, go transfer, they buy food. Now her money, then the money for accommodation. You dey hear, so that's just the few things. What I tell them say, fine, your 400,000, let's go to their shop. The money I calculated for you is 500 CDs. Let's ask them. If we know they talk correct, so let's ask them, say, 400,000, how much she be for CDs? They will tell you. Remove 500 CDs. The rest, let them send it to your account, to Naira, or if you even want it in CDs, take it. As simple as that. Now you say no, you know they agree. You dey hear so? No be say I not shopping money. I not say I not seeing money. Now me use my leg come here, carry though e back and in hair. Why? I want say as I come, she don't arrange her things. I just have to carry and go there. E balance. E go solve it collect her. Then go in peace. Then solve it collect my key from her. Then she go in peace. Simple. That now wetin I dey tell am. We say you no go gree. You no spend any money. The money you got to spend since now from here. You dey say they give you 400,000 and you dey spend money since. The money you have been spending since is from here. Money they fall from sky. Money they fall from sky. I remember she dey go. This one na wish. This na just the small matter. Now you hear story full ground. Now just the small matter. This one don't hear, don't tire. Story full ground. This one na wish. This one will be like say my baby mama wey dey Germany. Person wey dey Germany. No be say get what they fuck for. The person wey dey Germany. Ask me wetin Ajama phone number they find for this witchcraft phone. My baby mama, no say me and a marry baby person wey dey Germany. When you know say na she born for me. Wetin her phone number they find for inside this wish phone. Wetin my picture they find where they send give the family. They say the person where they talk now, as me and they talk, so they sick. See why they tell this girl. I don't tell her say, now she get hand. We make that girl they sick. When they make my baby mama they sick. Now this wish, now I go do one because she herself when she they call me the question when they ask me say, they ask and say if they follow person they drag man. You dey hear so person where they sick. Where people they waka for to know wetin they do and wetin they cause. Now she tell me say they tell her say she dey follow person they drag woman. Now I say you dey follow person they drag woman. To the essence say my baby mama they ask me say my girlfriend wey be like say I break up with for Germany before her. You understand? Wey be like say me and that one date before her. Say me and that one day. Whether if they feel say when they not that one, I say, oh, that one long time said before I even come out self. Me and that one we don't turn friend. We dey gist, normal gist, far. We know they date again, we know they fuck again. So what it concern that one concern? You first way they journey with you for there. We like say if you get boyfriend, they live in life. What it concern? No, say they wish. Now they involved for the matter. And you will suffer. Any evil plan you have now, your head you will take care and you will suffer.
No, that's why you know they fine safe. So you calm down first, calm down. Rest.
That's why they put her for live video. Many people they see her. Many people they see her. May they know the girl. Because the girl say it's between life and death. He say me no marry her. Say it's life and death. But now she be the death, now she go die. Because I don't tell her say, now she go die, now she be the death. And you will suffer. You will suffer for that evil mind you have. I say till today, I see the wonder. Sometimes I go sit down, I go see ask myself, say, but on a real sense, what was this girl in plans with that phone number? What it as in you understand some kind of things wey be like say person they do to the extreme. What it concern you with that girl phone number now where you go carry her, they put for your phone, they put the picture for my phone.
Papa go by light.
I don't have her for Facebook, oh. She not my Facebook friend, oh, because I don't want her to know me on Facebook and to start tracing people that know me on Facebook. I don't want that. You know my Facebook friend, you know say this girl, if they go search Facebook, different, if they go find me, like say they go me for Facebook, they wish. May he come with the go so she go and take her money. That's all I ask of her. He said she's not going. At the last, let her come and take her money and go. Because people are live, go. People are hearing this thing live. I'm telling you, say, people should share this video. People should share this video. This is very important because this guy is very crafty. Oh. Very crafty person. Oh. Very evil and crafty. I dey tell now. So people should know what is going on. Say he say if he no marry, na a matter of life and death. So if for know, now if for know who he and they do life and death. I don't already collect the key from her. I just show since I no hear from you. Because me and you never talk. The things you say you want to come and collect, you haven't got chance to come. If they come there since so the things they there. No be all those one concern. Now wish we see so wish. Now they see so. Maybe like say today that your witchcraft ends. Your money is intact. It's here is not where I live, oh. My people, here is not where I live. There is not where I live, but I'm own this place. But here is not where I live. If I don't spend your money, I fear for not let me come here. Or maybe I for the shame to go see you because I say I don't spend your money and they fear to go show your face. Madam, your money day. Nobody spend your money, nobody touch your money. Your money day. Come, let's go. Where you send your money put, let's go to their office. Let them count their balance and give to you. As simple as that. Your money day, nobody spend it. Nobody spend your money. You are just a witchcraft. And you will suffer. You will suffer. For the evil mind that you have, you will suffer. You have evil mind. You will suffer. You will suffer.
Since I put it, for you to know that I'm ready to go. One.
You are ready to go where? May they talk now, may they hear. But let me be hearing a reason for not going.
Give me listening.
Oh yeah.
One. You are the one that said the account number to me. Do you understand? Fine. According to you, he said the money they will exchange people. Eh? It's not the first what you do. Even I not ask you what you do. Send them my account number. I've already sent my account number to you. Okay. Send them my account number. Let them forward it to me, so that I will see the money. This thing. Say, I must go with him to that exchange. This thing. I said no. I don't have any business with exchange people. I'm doing.
Your money is there. The money you've been spending since Uko. The money you've been spending since Uko.
I said this one is not account. They say this the account number you have access to.
The money you've been spending since. That's what they're asking.
The account number you have access to. I'm not saying it to a date. He said one come 500 CD. How come? He said that he give me 200 CD. Give me this one. I said
yes.
Say one come
explain her. Tracy, I not explain her for you.
You not sleep with me.
I explain her for you. He say I sleep with her.
Me I owe you is 100 CD.
He say I sleep with her. This grace. I sleep with you.
That 100 CD no be problem.
As he say, you know here wetin they talk. He said me I sleep with her, so the money
is the
who sleep with you?
According to him, I'm not there.
Who sleep with you? The fool where they complain. Person wey say I no gree sleep with her. He say I sleep with her. Person he where they cry. Say he come from they no sleep with her. Me and they sleep with you. Now me and you they sleep with. Now me and you they sleep. Now me and you they sleep. I they sleep with you. Old woman like you now they sleep with.
No, now you said that you go minus
old gagoos like you. Expired fertilizer. Now they sleep with.
You know fit. Say that my money, that 400 must be complete.
Yellow fever.
Must complete.
Wait, you don't bleach everywhere, scatter.
Me at the phone and go exchange it. You don't see when they do that.
They first say
you know
this
plan. If I follow you,
no plan to go and collect your money. Just for them to minus. Okay, see, Tracy, let's make this thing easy, Let's make this thing easy. Will you collect the money in CDs?
I can't collect the money in
Okay, good. That is one option, Then second option. Should they minus your 500 CD and send
I cannot minus anything, no. Oh, I beg you, ask me answer.
Good. Next question. The money wey dey ask so no be borrow. He dash me on a birthday gift o.
Birthday gift.
Now he give me some. He say yes o.
400,000 birthday gift. As in, you say she give her 200.
Yes.
You want the other occasion, 800.
Yes. He use am take transport the girls. You know say na human trafficking dey do.
Or you wait, you tell am first you want money for that money.
Yes o.
You tell am.
Yes. And the money they spend now. Okay, ask am say which money come down? Which money you come take transport your guests? Now my money. Ask am. Is it my money? I go fit give you 200. As what? As Father Christmas, God forbid. As Father Christmas, God forbid. Hey,
I don't get any problem.
see this grace.
I don't get any problem.
See the fool.
Send that money
You
to my
old
account.
fool.
Maybe as I say, if another person.
You old fool.
This girl refused to go. You said no. So what is holding? I said, oh God, what is holding me is my money. Send it to me.
You old fool.
It's very easy for them to transfer it to my account. It's very easy.
My own now be say that money now when they say they talk about the minus and minus now.
Which money is that one?
The one that me and you are for that one.
The one you say you give for your gift.
The 400,000, you know say make her pay, no be borrow. But I won't pay am because I no need am.
You know what?
I no need that. I no send her. I no need that. I no send her.
You see this thing where they do. You see this thing where they do. Now what you want and what you like.
From my own money. Not from my own money before. Now my money. You know now my money she won't use. Now you don't understand so. Now my money she won't use. Say the transport her guests. Not in my money now. Not be her money. You know they understand. Now my money you wanted the transport her guests. Not be her money. Not be her money she supposed use. See you they give you money now. You say no one give me back. Then I should come and pay you money. Who gonna find trouble? No be she.
Okay, now,
very simple thing. Okay, fine. The money is 500 cedis. Remove it. Give me the balance. Let them send the balance to my account. As simple as that.
What's the balance waiting? This
who fuck you? Who fuck you? I had the same thing for the 400. Now the same thing for the 400,000. I asked you whether you go pay back. It's the same thing, you understand? So it's the same thing. So you didn't ask me to pay back, but I'm paying you back. You're asking me to pay back. So why, if I'm asking you to pay back, you don't want to pay back? You want me to pay you back, but you don't want to pay back?
You don't know him. You know this single shame. But I say you want to disgrace me.
Disgrace? Where you are, Gbada? Not be today. Don't say you don't disgrace yourself. You don't disgrace yourself since when you started saying.
Then is telling you say give her her money, make she go. You turn it upside down. Give her her money, make she go. You turn it upside down. You carry like knock everywhere.
Since when you say it's between life and death, you must marry person husband between life and death. Now since that time, I know that you now disgrace will surely reach become your achievement, disgrace and embarrassment. She dey go.
I'm not since yesterday. You know, as in,
since yesterday. Now me come collect the money. Now the problem. Me come collect your money. Who they go the exchange people place? If he even agree, you dey hear if she agree safe, I feel even call the guy for here right now. Ask Sam whatever question you want to know. Hello, that 400,000. Is he there with you? Guy will say yes. How much he be? Say I be. Remove 500 cedi. How much can remain? The guy will talk everything right now. As simple as that. As simple as that.
What is the pay now? You want because of that money? You want me to say scatter that my money?
God forbid. I don't scatter your money. I don't scatter your money where it is. I don't scatter your money because to start with the money you dash me. You not borrow me. But as you say, yes, but as you say, I should bring it. Now I say fine, no problem. Thank God. That money no be money wey be like say I will call they run, they hide. They do say, you say I should bring 400,000, I call they hide. I know they hide, now me use my leg come. to come give you an access for you to get your money. I want to know the matter. This is not today matter. This girl, Tracy, what did they cause this matter? Say this girl, if they force herself for man when no like her, man when no want you, you they force yourself. You say you won't die. You say na life and death. Say he must marry me. You want to die. That's why if they do anything by it, be it spiritual, be it physical, be it financial, anything. I just see that my own. You say you want to dash me 400,000. You want to make my mind sweet. You want me to be happy. You want to do this. You want to do this. Beg for days, so I will say no. I know you might show you. Make she herself open the chat and show you. If they tell me say please send the account number, I say no. If they beg. Now I say I send exchange people account number for them. He still by himself, they tell me say this is not my account number. I say I cannot send you my account number. If you cannot send this money to this account, forget it. He say okay, he go send. Now he say send, give exchange people. Your money is with them. It's not with me. You say 400,000 because say he need man want to marry husband by force, want to marry husband by fire by force. You shameless thing, shameless idiot. Wait, disgrace go where you agbada. You never see anything. Disgrace go where you agbada. Better big one. Better big agbada. Better big one. What do you concern you with the door? When I want run for what? Run to where? For what?
You know what they find for the market?
Anything that is not relating to you. This one, you're the dragon for nothing. Don't tell you it does not belong to you. 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 It's not yours.
You see my money, yes. My money not lost.
Which money one lost? Which money you get?
I don't know what to be this one.
Which money you get?
I bet don't help me to see a move. My money not lost. Leave one now. Because that one like this one.
How you stop? No, she even get the purse. I mean, you don't get anything. Nothing they buy. Apart from 400,000 where you got it, they stop you get. Nothing.
I bet when my phone.
They not sell now.
Huh? Today, I think.
Nothing.
Since the money they would exchange people, and I think they send money to a personal account. Call them, they send money to my account, and you have my account number. Simple thing.
Now you they find trouble. Now you they find trouble. If you want peace, there's peace for you. If you want any trouble you want, if you want embarrassment, there's full that one I get full package. I have the full package for you, full package. Man no like you. I don't tell you face to face, say I no love.
We talk about money.
You still they force yourself. You feel say maybe as he send 400,000 blood things. If he say as he send 400,000 with that one now, it don't tie me down. God forbid. Shame on you.
I know how to forge things. As you don't forge, you not come everywhere. They don't concern. But what I mean is say that money enter my account.
Shame on you.
The second is even big.
Shame on you.
Don't use the bag go me. I don't release the bag to you.
Shame on you.
Oh yeah, call the exchange rate.
I just send the bill. I don't send the account number for us. If they tell them.
Oh, Tracy, I said I'm money paid here.
She said me the sender.
To my account.
No, she never make her go.
If they minus a money from it,
300
that is well okay. That is all what we are saying. That is all what we are saying. And also why this live video? Because some people say why this? Okay,
Madam,
why this live video? So that people should know the person The way they say na life and death. They say na life and death. If then he no marry me, is life and death. This is the useless fellow. This is the foolish, the useless fellow. That is saying. See what he's doing. See what he's doing. See the useless fellow.
Now give me my money, please. Call the guy,
I see everything they do.
Call the guy. No, call
Now
the
she
guy.
no one agree. If she agree, I'll go bring it.
People go even ask her, say, the girl don't agree, say she won't go. But send her money, people.
You don't agree for your money where you spend. If they say, you know, they hear what they talk. If they say, if you not receive the alert here, you know they go. The money where you spend, let them tell you your balance there and send it to you. You will receive the alert. They say, you know they go. Sure.
I know why I didn't, so it's easy for me to go out.
It go there easy for you to do what?
Call them, make them send the money. They here together.
Leave am now. You know what?
Make them send how much?
Just keep quiet. When
Make them send how much?
Leave am. You know what they do.
She no want go hear how much be her money.
You know what they do, and I bet you know I know well.
She no want go hear.
And when the thing where you do, you go as they say you don't enjoy am. You go fool, the fool body. You go tell them make they send the money to my account.
You witch. You witch. You witch. You want to buy husband with 400,000. See face. Look at 9 days. 9 days. Use it. You wish.
You don't do no, babe.
See, you want to spoil the door. You want to spoil the door or what? See, they put mop for there. They put this thing. I go sand this girl better sand in her.
I want this matter to end the police station. So when they will hear it, they will pay my own damage.
Which damage?
You know I said to pay my damage.
Leave the door. Leave the door now. Check they see what she dey do.
To pay my damage. Because I won't make it to the place. So the empty will
Which damage? There's no damage. Nobody's paying you any damage. You fool. Now damage you dey wait for. In a damage you dey wait for, you go suffer. You go suffer.
You know what you do. When you
You go there here.
you know the right thing.
Her name is Ezugo. Chinonye Ezugo Patricia from Anambra State. See, shameless idiot. This old cargo wey say me and him father can't do blood oath. This fool, as stupid as you are, me and your father can't do blood oath. Make blood oath kill your head.
You know what you do. When you see the thing, when you go.
Make blood oath kill your head.
You know the right thing.
And blood oath go kill you.
If when they talk, they
One-
go just but I know they kill
You want do blood oath.
This one a second woman.
Make blood oath kill your head. Blood oath now go kill you. That blood oath wey you say you want do, now go kill you. He say make they do blood oath. Me and your father. Now so your mates still they get relationship when they be to do blood oath. I just want to see old rich. You want do blood oath. No even be that one. You get person wey foolish reach you. For foolishness, you get who reach you. Get who reach you. Old woman wey no dey shame. You wey don reach menopause. You no get child. You no get nothing. He say he go buy land. He go buy land. Your burial site. Burial site. Now you go buy. He say you go buy land.
What? I say never leave am. Leave am. Leave am.
Burial site. We go
Leave
buy.
am. Leave am. Even that's when they go, they say, oh, okay, you talk too much.
It's none of your business. Allow me to enjoy myself. Let me talk. I'm enjoying myself as I'm talking. I'm enjoying myself as I'm talking. You are just a big fool. He say, me and your father do blood. Oh, this old woman, this old cargoos like this. See, the old cargoos. This thing they even is zone 7. These old cargoes. Old cargoes. He say, I went to Nigeria to buy land. But your burial sites where you go buy. You fool. Have you achieved anything for your life? Have you achieved anything for your life?
No, I don't see my money again. That's what we do. And that's what it's done. No, if I tell you, you'd like to for you.
If you are ready, you talk. Oh, yeah, go to there and get chance for you. And the tell say, if you say maybe na you because this is na me will go meet you. I'm not running away from you because you are a winch. I will come and cast you out. Want to do blood oath? You know that I have kids. You know say now human being now ain't born for me. Okay, I hear you want to put down one where you want to do blood oaths. That's why they carry a phone number and a picture. They go to do your incantation. You will die. Anything, any plan, whatever you arrange, back to send that to you. Back to send whoever is joining you to do all those plans, those evil plans, back to send that to the both of you now. Now go use una head carry am. Witches. See there. May they go, he say no one go. They go, he say no go. He sit down. Leave, go, he say lie, no go. This one not be wahala. No be wahala. They go, he say no one go. He sit down. Come take your money, may they go, he say no one go. Me say I don't tire. Don't tire.